The beliefs that run us were installed through repetition over a lifetime. Releasing them requires the same patience. This is episode 2 of the Bread Crumbs series, The Anger Lesson. For our entire lifetimes, certain beliefs have been repeated so many times that they feel like facts. The strongest survive. Protect yourself. You are on your own. Our movies, our stories, our culture, all of them repeating the same themes over and over until they become the wallpaper of our mind. Undoing this does not happen in one moment of insight. It happens the same way it was built, through daily repetition, through patient, loving repetition of truth. Be as patient with your undoing as life was in your conditioning. Follow these breadcrumbs back to peace.